Isn't it frustrating when you failed to naming a compound, huh?
Don't worry, Adam, let me help you to understand more on naming the compounds. It is as simple as an ABC. So now, let us learn on how to naming a binary compounds. There are three types of binary compound that we will focus on. The first one is combination of metal and nonmetal, second is transition metal and nonmetal, and last one is nonmetal with nonmetal. You should know the types of element whether it is metal, nonmetal, or transition metal. In naming a metal with nonmetal elements, the first element should be named the actual name of metal, followed by the name of nonmetal. Please note that the name of nonmetal must ending with id suffix. Here is the example of NaCl compound, named sodium chloride.
Okay, what about the name for the combination of transition metal and nonmetal, Sally?
For this one, the first name must be the actual name of transition metal, and its oxidation number is put in a bracket. Then, followed by the name of nonmetal with id suffix. You can see the example below of tin combined with fluorine to produce tin 4-fluoride.
Alright, I can understand more. But, how about the name of nonmetal and nonmetal?
For this one, the first name must be the element located on the left side in periodic table, then continue with second name with id suffix. Don't forget to put a Greek prefixes to tell how many nonmetals are present. You can see the example of P2O5 is named as diphosphorus pentoxide and COS carbon monoxide.
Yeah. Thank you, Sally. Now I really understand. It is so simple actually.
You're welcome, Adam. So now, let's try this few questions to test yourself. Before we start, please remember these few things. Number 1 is you need identify the element first, remember the concept of naming, and you are ready to naming it. So, shall we start now? We have about 5 questions to be answered. I will give you some time to try to answer it. Once you have done, let's check it together. First and second questions are the combination of metal with nonmetal. So the answer is potassium bromide and aluminum oxide. Now look at questions 3 and 4. These are the combination of transition metal and nonmetal. Their names are cobalt 3 oxide and iron 3 bromide. The last question is combination of nonmetal with nonmetal. So its name is dinitrogen pentoxide.
Thank you very much, Sally, on your kind help. Now, I really understand it.
No worries, Adam. If you have anything to ask, don't be shy to ask me. We can discuss together.
Created using Powtoon.